Question number 2, practice set percentage. The question is the rate of increase. Okay, pause this video, read the question and then try solving it by yourself. The rate of increase of the price of sugar is observed to be 2% more than the inflation rate. Okay. The price of sugar in January was 20 rupees. January 94 was 20 rupees. The inflation rate for the year 1994 to 1995 expected to be 8%. Yeah. The expected, okay, so each, that means for the years 1994 and 1995, in both the years the inflation is 8%, right? The expected price of the sugar in 1996, what are they trying to say? They're trying to say that, okay, if the inflation is 8% in 1994 and 1995 also, then in 1996, so basically that is end of 1995, right? 1st January. What would be the price of sugar? What would be the price of sugar? Yes, what would be the price of sugar per kg? This is the question. Okay. Now let's see how do we solve this. So now if you understand the price here, the price increase in the price of sugar is 2% higher than the inflation. Now 8% is the inflation. If 8% is the inflation, then percentage increase in the price should be 8 plus 2, yeah, 2% higher, right? Oh God, my handwriting, when am I going to improve this? That's going to be what? 10%, yeah, in each year, correct? It's very pretty easy question, no? You need to increase it by 10% and get the answer. So let us give this question as LOD 1, level of difficulty 1. Alright, now the price of the sugar is 20 rupees per kg, yeah, and which is increasing 2 times by 10%, because this is the price in 1994 January, starting of 1994. So 1994 entire year and 1995 entire year, 2 years. So this price has to increase 2 times, yeah, by 10%. Did you get it? So when you increase a value by 10%, you multiply by what? 110%. Okay. Then again it increased by 10%. So again you multiply by what? 110%. Why am I multiplying by 110%? Guys. I hope this is pretty clear to all of you. You must have gone through this. If percentage increase is given, then what to do? If percentage is given, percentage increase given, then what to do? Yeah. Okay. Please go through this 3rd lecture. Okay. 10% more. Every number is 100% of itself. If it is increasing by 10%, it become 110%. Become means multiply by 110%. Same for next year also. Now what? We just need to do the calculation. You do the calculation, you get the answer as option number C. Yeah. Yeah, simplify this. Right? Simplify this. And you will get, this is what? 242 by 10. That means 24.2. Option number C. Right? Pretty easy, right? Okay, let's solve the next question.